We're going to go across live once again to Tapas. We believe the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, has reached the Kolkata Police Museum. What's really happening on ground? Quickly update us. Tapas.
Well, Mamata Banerjee just arrived here in a minute or so, and she has just walked away to the first floor of the museum, Kolkata Police Museum. She'll be going to the room where the files are kept for public display, and there are a few members of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. She'll be interacting.
Coming to you, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has reached the Kolkata Police Museum. We're expecting to hear from the Chief Minister, trying to get a reaction from her. Of course, she's been claiming this is a historic day, taking credit for the declassification of these very crucial 64 files. This is footage coming to you live from the Kolkata Police Museum, where Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister, has arrived to inspect, to take stock of the situation of what's really been put up there as these very crucial 64 files have been declassified. Our colleague Rishabh Gulati joining us with further details. Rishabh.
Walked in to the police museum there in Kolkata after these files were brought over late last night from the Writers' Building down to this museum. We've seen the entire inauguration happen. This, of course, is a public statement for Mamata Banerjee as well. She's making not only a statement that she is the true champion of the investigation into what happened to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. She's making a second statement that she is the one who stands for transparency regarding Netaji's death, and also pointed, of course, attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party central government, putting pressure on them to release the files also. The Mamata Banerjee making the most of it. Both my colleagues, Tapas and Payal, are there. They're tracking her. You'll be getting visuals of Mamata Banerjee inside that entire wing that has been dedicated in the Kolkata Police Museum to the Netaji files now. Of course, she'll be reviewing those files. The contents are already known to her, and the contents are being put out here on NewsX for the first time into the public domain.
All right, thanks for that update there, Rishabh. As you speak to us, we're playing out these shots, of course, of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at the Kolkata Police, the Calcutta Police Museum there, where the files are up for viewing, open to public, of course, only Monday onwards. For the moment, the family has access to them. Soft copies on the DVD, of course, have been distributed to the media there as well. Mamata Banerjee, for the first time, they're coming in to take stock of the situation. We would be expecting a statement to the press that she would be making in a short while from now. Of course, understanding the significance of this moment, clearly historic, given that this has never been dealt with before. No one really ordered the declassification of the files that lay at the Kolkata Police Museum. That has been gone ahead with by the decision that was taken by the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Payal Mehta, our correspondent there, with more inputs. Go ahead, Payal.
Well, of course, to bring you up to date with what's happening out here, I'm going to ask Imran to pan out and show you the crowd that you're actually seeing right here is only because Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, whose government has taken this decision of declassifying 64 files to do with Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, something that the family's been demanding. She has in fact arrived at the Kolkata Police Museum. She's just gone inside to see the files for herself. Remember, this has been done with the instruction from the government. The family's been pleading for several years. They've knocked the doors of the centre. They've knocked several other politicians' doors as well, demanding that there should be a declassification of files. Mamata Banerjee, about a fortnight or so ago, had made that promise to the people of the state that yes, her government would be declassifying all the 64 files that are available in the archive with them, and that has really happened. Now, these files have been digitized, and we've been bringing you these visuals live and exclusive, in fact, first before any other channel. So now Mamata Banerjee is right inside. In a short while from now, she will be stepping out. She will be addressing the media. This is said to be a historic moment as far as the state of West Bengal is concerned. As far as Netaji is concerned, because, you know, remember, the family constantly, like I keep saying again and again, has been demanding for these files. These files have a lot of significance in terms of the content it has. It talks about Netaji, it talks about his jail term, talks about how he wanted to really take that freedom fight forward. It's a huge moment of pride for the government of West Bengal, a huge moment of pride for people of West Bengal, a huge moment for the family. Mamata Banerjee has just arrived here minutes ago. She has gone up to the chamber where these files have been kept in glass chambers. She will be coming out shortly. She is likely to address the media. She will be, in fact, making her first comments, because so far what we've got from her is a tweet. But she's arrived here. She will be addressing the media over here. We'll be speaking about the significance of something that she had promised. Remember, she'd also mentioned that this is not a part of any political game that she's trying to play out. Also, taking the message out in a larger manner to the center, because the family's been talking about this to the center. The center has decided not to declassify the files. So that's something which Mamata Banerjee certainly will be hoping, and of course the family will also be hoping that the center takes a clue.
Okay.
So we'll be focused out here, and like I mentioned, that in a few minutes from now, the West Bengal Chief Minister will be out.
Right, Payal,
she
so
will
we'll
be
keep a
addressing
focus
us,
on when
and
the
she will
West
be
Bengal
telling us
Chief
what
Minister
it
really
means
comes out and speaks to the media. We'll keep our eyes on that moment while you report in live, but stay with us quickly. If I can just bring in a few other comments as well. Mr. Krishna Sagar Rao, I want to come to you. We are waiting for that press conference, that address to the media from the Chief Minister. But you said a couple of moments ago on our broadcast, sir, that you did not know that the PMO had made a statement about this could have an impact, revelation of other files could have an impact with foreign relations. The fact is that in front of the CIC, PMO had admitted in the month of August that they will not declassify these materials because it will have an impact with foreign relations. So clearly there's something wrong there, because you're not on the same page with the PMO.
No, the PMO never made an official statement. I am here now
you're
officially
wrong.
telling
What do you mean? What do you mean
the
by
government has never made a
No,
statement.
that is being contested.
No, that is-
That's being
sir,
contested.
sir,
Mr.
sir.
Rao, 1 second. That's
Sir.
being contested. Mr. Dhar.
No,
You
Mr. Rao,
speak
sir, what happened that
You tell me. You tell me where. No,
RT
is it an
applications
official
have been
statement
filed.
of PMO?
So since you're making a, let me inform you, there are 2-3
Where is
RT
the
applications
official
have been
statement
filed,
of
one of which have been publicized. The Prime Minister's office indeed made submission before the Central Information Commission that certain
See,
Netaji
Ajay.
files cannot be given because of foreign relations. That's a matter of fact. So let's be very clear. I don't dispute Mr. Modi's intention that he will do something.
answer?
But as of today, the official
answer?
stand of Government of India is that they will not declassify.
Ajay.
I'm sure this will change next month. But as of today, there is no difference between what
Quick
Congress did
reply,
and
Mr. Rao, quick
did.
reply. We'll move ahead.
I
sir.
hope
Quick
for the
reply.
future would be good for us. We do have faith in Modi ji.
Please let me answer. Akshay, let me answer.
Go ahead.
Akshay, let me answer. Yeah. I don't know who's speaking. If it's Ajit Sen, I'm telling Ajit Sen.
No,
that
that's
if
Mr. Anuj Dhar. That's
I mean,
Mr.
don't you
Anuj Dhar. Go
understand
ahead, Mr.
RTI
Rao.
application cannot give you access to classified files. Please. Yeah. No. What I'm saying, whoever gentleman is talking there, please understand the RTI applications will not give you access to classified files. So please don't blame the government. Before declassification, if you're applying for an RTI, you will not get any response. But what I'm trying to tell you is the PMO...
Mr. Rao,
No, we
you
have
still
the
haven't got the
response.
point.
The response was there. They refused to give.
We'll have
The
to give some
response-
space to our viewers now who've been calling in. We have Veena Devi. No, I'm afraid we have
Devi.
Kishore from Karnataka. Please go ahead. Thanks for holding the line. We seem to have lost that line. There's Mr. Murthy from Bengaluru as well.
Yeah, this is Lieutenant Murthy from Bangalore. 3 Rothschild stooges in a Congress party, Nehru, Prime Minister Shastri and Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan have fooled India on the Netaji files. Netaji was alive and he came for the Nehru's cremation, and also he was alive till 1985.
Okay.
This fact was subdued and it was not told to the Indian public. This should be investigated and made known to every Indian citizen.
And
Third,
of course,
I
for
want
the
to correct,
center to answer
Mr.
that
Anuj
with the
Dhar
declaration, because
and
therein lies the
Dr.
real
Pillai
answers here. Thanks for calling in. Appreciate our viewers for really calling in through this noon. Our panelists as well for being with us. We'll be back in just a bit with more updates.